New Mexico is the deadliest state in the country. From drug overdoses to car crashes and fatal falls, a new report says New Mexicans have a higher rate of deadly injuries than people in any other state. What is it about our state that has us in the #1 spot in something you definitely don't want to be #1? News 13's Amanda Goodman is live downtown with that. Amanda?
Well, Dick, unfortunately, it's a ranking the state is quite familiar with. I asked the Department of Health why so many New Mexicans die before their time. It's another list New Mexico would rather not be #1 on. A report released today ranks the land of enchantment as the riskiest state in the country.
Suicide, homicide, motor vehicle injury, drug overdose death, falls among the elderly. All those things are part of this. It's
a ranking the Department of Health is used to, but not proud of. New Mexico took the top spot back in 2001 and has remained either first or second for the last decade.
It is frustrating to see basically all these lives destroyed because of something that is preventable. That does get very old.
So what is it about New Mexico that keeps landing us atop this list? The DOH says there's no one thing, but rather a combination of things.
New Mexico has a high rate of poverty. That's a major contributor to our high injury death rate. New Mexico has significant problems with substance abuse.
In fact, New Mexico has the highest drug overdose death rate in the country. About 500 people die here each year from ODing. The state's rural areas and highway culture are another key factor.
Lots of long drives, and that contributes to our high motor vehicle injury death rate.
On that front, though, the DOH says New Mexico is making some headway because we no longer lead the nation in road deaths. But there's room for improvement there, too. The report mentions how New Mexico doesn't have a motorcycle helmet law for adults. Now, the DOH says some prevention policies have already been implemented, like a prescription drug take-back program, but it's going to take time for them to have an effect. Dick, back to you.
Okay, Amanda, about 2,000 New Mexicans die every year from preventable injuries. We are nearly twice the national average.